Hey, I'm working on a 5.7 Hemi. It's in for a hot tank, Magnaflux, and a hone. Check this back cylinder out. This thing had some seat failure. Seat fell out, smashed up the piston, and then drug up and down on the cylinder. So I'm gonna put it in my hone and try to clean this cylinder up. I already told my customer those lines aren't gonna go away. I said I could put it in my hone, give it a couple strokes, and have you come take a look at it. But after doing this so many years, those lines aren't going anywhere. So I'm gonna put it in my hone, give it a couple strokes, and I'll show you. All right, I got it in my CK10. Let's give it a couple strokes. This side isn't all that bad. There's obviously some wear because it has miles on it. A little look at the top. Now there's some pitting in that guy. A little bit down at the bottom. Let's put a bore gauge in there and see what's really going on. It's about a half over, maybe a thou and a tenth, about a thou and a half at the top. So let's flip it over and check out that bad side. Here's the other side after a couple strokes. Here's that bad cylinder. Obviously, that's pretty messed up. Same on this side. I'll put my bore gauge in there, see what's going on. About a thou and a half. A little over 2. So I'm gonna give this thing just another 3 strokes at light pressure, see what it looks like, but that's still going to be there for sure. Let's check out that back cylinder. Dang, that thing's still pretty messed up. That back cylinder is pretty hammered. I got one more thing I'm going to try before I call my customer, see if I can fix that back cylinder. See where it's at. That's valve putty. What's that? Piston putty. Now here we go. Cylinder repair for Hemi. Well, let's give this stuff a whirl. All right, I'm gonna let it sit and I'll be right back. All right, I'll let it dry for about 5 minutes. Let's give it a wipe down. Holy crap. This stuff works pretty dang good. I can't believe this stuff actually worked. It's a handyman in a can. I better hide this stuff because I'm gonna go out of business if someone else finds out about this. That didn't really work. Let's really check out what that cylinder looks like because I'm pretty sure it's garbage. Wipe this crap off. Yep, still crappy. I'm gonna call my customer and let him know what I already told him when he dropped it off, is that back cylinder's hammered and those scratches aren't going anywhere unless we bore it. Hopefully he decides to bore it. If not, he's gonna waste a bunch of time and money and have an engine that smokes and probably misfires in that back hole. That's gonna do it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching.